Hey, this is Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install Simpson Vortex seats on your side-by-side. These Simpson Vortex seats are an awesome upgrade if you're a more serious rider. Not only do they keep you in the seat, but are very comfortable. They're also designed for easy entry and exit in and out of the machine. These seats fit a variety of different makes and models. The only thing that differs is the mounting kit. So when you order these on our website, you're going to want to make sure you put your year, make, and model in to make sure you get the correct mounting kit. Today we're going to be installing these on our 2018 Polaris Turbo S. This procedure should be the same for most Polaris models, but always refer to your model-specific owner's manual as well as the instructions that came in your mounting kit. To do this job, you'll need your model-specific mounting kit, some basic hand tools, a T27 Torx bit, a 3/16 inch drill bit, some safety glasses, rags. We also used 32 and 18 millimeter box end wrenches to bend the seat adjusting tab, and we'll explain more about that later. To begin, remove the seat by lifting up on the tab and pulling the seat up. Okay, now that we've got the seat off, we're going to remove the slider from the seat. Our machine came with a slider to adjust the seat. Not all models are going to have this, but the procedure should be similar. So we're going to talk about models without the slider towards the end of the video. Now that we've got the slider base off, we're going to loosen the screws holding this adjusting plate and remove the plate and the seat. So these 4 screws are used to mount the seat, so if they fall into the rail, be sure to get them out. Next, we're going to install our mount to our plastic base, and to do that, we're going to use the hardware that we previously removed from our plastic base, but we're also going to use the nylocks on top that came in the mounting kit. To make the job easier, I'm going to use a magnet on our nylon nut. If you don't have one, you can still get the job done. Now that we've got our seat mounts installed, we're going to make sure they slide smoothly on the plastic tray. Now we're going to mount our adjusting plate onto the base plate assembly using the 4 screws we previously removed from the seat. Make sure your mounting brackets align before you do this. But also, I like to install all 4 bolts loosely before I tighten them down. Okay, after we've got our base plate assembled, we need to install it to the seat. But as you can see, the adjusting lever will hit our seat if we leave it like that. So we need to bend it down. And that's why we're using our 18 millimeter wrench. And this is just to support the lever while we bend it. And what we found works best is a 32 millimeter wrench. But if you don't have this, you could try using vice grips or a crescent wrench, a pipe, anything that works that can bend this so it's more level. Now that we've got it bent, we'll check and make sure this will fit on the seat without getting caught up. So we might need to go just a little more. That's going to look pretty good for us. So on the Simpson seat, this is our new release tab. So it still uses this plastic release tab, but this just connects to it. So we're going to drill the 3/16 hole through the pre-existing hole on the tab. Now that we've got the base plate ready, we're going to install it onto the seat using the hardware that came in the kit. Be sure to not forget the washers, and when we install it onto the seat, we're going to install all 4 bolts loosely, and then we're going to do the final tightening once the seat's actually in the machine. Now if you have a non-adjusting seat base, you're going to install all 4 bolts 1 1/4 inch from the end as per instructions. Now we're going to install the release tab onto our seat. Okay, now we're going to install our seat starting with the front tabs and click the back into place. Okay, now we're going to check the side-to-side fitment and make sure we have a little bit of clearance on both sides of the seat. Now that we've checked our side-to-side fitment, we're going to tighten the 4 bolts. Now that we've got our bolts all tightened up, we're going to install our seat cushion. Now we just need to do the same thing to the other seat. And that's all there is to it. Here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, we have a huge selection of OEM and aftermarket parts. So be sure to check out our website and get free shipping on orders over $75. If you like this video and want to see more like it, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.